Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In the latest episode of Uzak Sahir, Sihan's biggest test will not be whether he loves Alia. That answer is already clear. His real test will be whether he can protect this love from the people who see it as a weakness. Sihan has made his choice, Alia is his future. But when a man like Sihan chooses love, his enemies do not stay quiet. They look for the softness place in his heart, and Alia is that place. The mansion will prepare for a celebration, but at the air will feel strange. It will be like happiness is standing on a thin glass floor. On wrong step, the everything can break. Peter's arrival can create questions that no one can answer quickly. Why now? Why that at this exact time? Why does he want from Alia, from Danis, and from this family? Sihan will keep his face calm, but inside he will already be mirroring that danger. Alia may try to keep peace, but every she will feel that Peter's presence can change Danny's emotions. Sadakat will move quietly, but her silence will be heavy. She knows Mariam is connected to something that can hurt many people. When Mariam hears the news of Ali and Sihan's marriage, her reaction may reveal more than her words. Zareen will surprise everyone with her courage. She will choose to stand close to Damir, but because she forgive him, but because she wants him to understand that regret feels like. Sihan's story will remain emotional. He does not want to force her, but he does not want to disappear either. The next episode will be about promises, Sihan's promise to Alia, Sahin's promise to Nari, Zareen's promise to herself, and Sadakat's promise to protect the family, even if protection means breaking hearts. Viewers, like my video and subscribe my channel for more updates related to Uzak Sahir series and also other Turkish dramas.